Hey y'all, I am on my lunch break in my car. Please forgive the quality of this video, the shakiness, all that. I don't have one of the little holders for my phone for my car, so I just have to hold it with my hand and do it, and I'm a hand talker, so it makes it that much harder. Anyway, I wanted to tell you, I have not quit YouTube. I have not forgot about you guys. I thoroughly enjoy doing YouTube. Obviously I love to cook because that's predominantly what my channel is, but I did have some life changes going on, and I just took a step back. I wanted to focus on me, focus on my family, just be the best Brittany that I could be. So with that, I made some relationship changes. I was shown the true example of when God closes one door, he opens another one. I met the man of my dreams, and in a person that I honestly never thought we would end up together. It's funny. It's a funny story. But with that, I have some big news. I'm getting married. But I am getting married. That has had a lot of my focus. I'm getting married June of next year. So we have been just super busy planning a wedding. And if you have ever planned a wedding, you know it's a lot. A lot of stress, a lot of headache, a lot of money, but it's so worth it so far. I feel like it's making us closer than what we already are. We're absolute best friends. And if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know that 2.5, almost 3 years ago, my dad passed away. I truly believe this man was sent to me by my dad because he's so much like my dad. But I'm saying all that to say, do not think that I forgot about you guys. Do not think that I'm quitting YouTube. Just bear with me and be excited because I'm going to plan a wedding, and trust me, I'm going to bring you guys along. I know it's a cooking channel, but I'm so excited. So I will be back with more videos, and I will have a video posted for you shortly. It's 3 new recipes. I hope you guys enjoy it.